Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna clean my stove. You see here you guys, I got my stove preheating and that was something that waste when I was cooking. Other than that, my stove is pretty clean, but I'm about to clean my stove. I gotta wait till this little lady get out the kitchen. Come on Binks, mama gotta clean the stove. Come on, you gotta come out. Okay, you guys, this is the natural way how I clean up my stove. I use vinegar and I use baking soda. And see, my oven is on. Okay, so what I'm about to do now, I'm about to turn my oven off and I'm about to get started. Okay, you guys, I have some baking soda, on a towel. And what you do is you add a little bit of vinegar to the baking soda. And you see it fizzes up. Okay, then after that, I'm about to get to scrubbing. Okay, you guys, I done rubbed my vinegar and baking soda so it done dried now. And I just got a sink of a little lemon Ajax. And here's my rag. And let's get the wiping. Your stove is still going to be hot, you guys, so you got to be careful. And you have to get elbow grease in here to clean your stove. See, look at my towel. Y'all see that's coming up? Let me put on this. I found this old oven mitt because this stove is hot. Now keep in mind, like I said, you're gonna have to put elbow grease in here because baking soda dries up. I'm left-handed, so I'm gonna have to use my left hand, y'all. Ouch. See that spot was down there earlier is gone. Yep. It's a lot of little work to it, but it'll be worth it. Yeah, see that spot is gone. Okay, you guys. So, I'm going to continue scrubbing my stove, you guys, and I will be back later with another video. And remember, you guys, baking soda and white vinegar. And if you had some lemon, you can rub lemon too. I thank you guys, and bye-bye for now.